Hi, good day to everyone. I'm Leon from QuickSafe, and today we have a special guest, Awang, who has been with us since 2005. So I would like to take this opportunity to chat with Mr. Awang, and probably Mr. Awang can share with the audience why he has stayed with QuickSafe for the past so many years. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Leon.
Yeah.
First of all, what I look at into workshop is when with my car is somebody that I can trust. I mean, somebody that I can trust to take care of the car is how I would like to take care of my car. So that's why I, first of all, when I first found out Leon, I bring this car to Leon in 2005 since I bought the car. And I stay with him till now because of trust.
Actually, it's really a long time.
Yes.
15 years.
Yes.
15 years is really a long time. I also find that we have this vehicle that is taken care by us, and we are very proud, to be able to continue to serve you. That is very important. I remember you were away for a couple of years when you were posted to overseas assignment. And then the car will also be sent to us. Yeah, I remember that.
So,
Mm.
Yep. So for me, it's like for me when I bring the car here is I'm very happy with the service given to me, and then for sure, I'm sure that. Leon and the QuickSafe guys is giving the same level of service to the other guys.
I truly appreciate your support. Thank you very much.
No worries.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Bye.